Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another edition of Tank Tries. And today I will be trying Taipei's sweet and sour chicken. I have never had a Taipei brand of, like Chinese food or stuff like that. And I was just kind of interested and I picked this up. I do like Chinese food, but I've never had it like this. So, let's see if I can do that magic trick that I do for ramen on this. 1, 2. Alright, see, we got it. Wow. We got, looks like carrots, some peppers, maybe some onion, and we got chicken and rice, looks like in there. So let's stir this up, because apparently the sweet and sour sauce is at the bottom of these. So give it a good swirly here. Get it all mixed together. So alright, fine. We're gonna get a little bit of everything on one bite. We got rice, we got some pepper, we got a carrot and some chicken. And a little bit of onion, it looks like. So let's actually give this a try and see if this is good. I apologize, my nephew is very well. They're being a little bit noisy, and I can't control that. And honestly, that's good. That's good. Yeah. Let's get another bite here. Kind of hot though. The chicken is kind of, well, it's got like a batter on it, or like a batter or something on it. And the rice is good, the carrots are good, the green peppers are good. Yeah, I guess even the onions are good. I'm not a fan of onions, but mixed with all this mixture inside, it's really, really good. What is this? And we got a pineapple. We got pineapple in this. So, do I recommend Taipei's sweet and sour chicken? I do. I do recommend. So, till next time, my friends and fans, this has been Tank Tries. This is Tank telling you, have a good one and be awesome. And just remember, you might have some friends in your life that will do anything for you. And you might have some friends that need your help. Or if you need their help, just go out and ask for it. That's Tank's word of the day. Till next time, my friends. Peace out. And I recommend this. Go get it.